How to fix if your Outlook search not working. I'm going to show you the few methods that you can use and you can get back your search in Outlook. So let's start with the video, guys. Before starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So first step, you can try open the Outlook in safe mode. Just type the run, come to the run app and type Outlook space slash and type save. Click OK, then Outlook will be open with the save mode and try to search. Okay, and the second method is you can go to the option, click on file, go to the option and come to the add-in. Under the add-in, just switch to the CMO add is and go, and here you have to uncheck the add-in which you have add recently. Just uncheck the add-in which you had add recently and just click on OK. The next solution is try to update your Outlook application. Come to the office account and try to update the Outlook application. And the next is try to sign out with your Outlook. Sign out it and log in again and try to search option. Okay, and the last option is you can edit your registry. Registry is the application you can edit. Come to the search option, type the registry, it will become here registry editor. Now open it. Now it will be look like this. So just okay, so here just wait for some time. Okay, so so here you have to expand the local machines. Now here you have to go on softwares. Under the softwares, just come to the policies. Under the policies, just expand the Microsoft. Okay, so here you have to add new key. Just click main folder, Windows. You have to expand the Windows and just right click on it and add the new key, and here you have to type Windows search and just right click. Now come to this window which on your right side, right click, go to the new and click on keywords 64-byte value. Whatever you have machine, just click on, and here you have to type you have to rename it and rename in prevent indexing Outlook. O should be capital and P should be capital and I should be capital. Okay, just hit the enter. Now just double click on it. Okay, and value date, under the value date just enter the 1 and click OK. So now you have to close your computer and restart the Outlook, then your search definitely works. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.